Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Mathematics Part 1, Statistics Part 4. Practice Set 6.3. Question number 1. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk measured by a lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. तर या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला मोड फाइंड करायचे. कंटेंट ऑफ फॅट दिलेला आहे आणि मिल्क कलेक्टेड इन अ लिटर हे पण दिलेलं आहे. कंटेंट ऑफ फॅट विच इज इन अ पर्सेंटेज 2 to 3. मिल्क कलेक्टेड in liter is 30. If 3 to 4%, milk is 70 liter. 4 to 5%, milk is 80%. Content of fat is 5 to 6% and milk collected in liter is 60. 6 to 7 content of fat and milk collected in liter is 20. So this is the table in which content of fat and milk is milk collected which is given, and we have to find mode of the fat content. क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला मोड फाइंड करायचा आहे. Solution is, to find mode we draw two columns. One column, first column for class content of fat and second column for the frequency. Both the information is given in the question. So first we write all the values. Classes are start from 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. Frequency is 30, 70, 80, 60 and 20. So when we observe this table, we find maximum number of milk collected is 80 liter. Frequency, maximum frequency from this column is 80. 80 is bigger than all the values, so it is the maximum frequency. So it is belongs to class 4 to 5. So this class 4 to 5, it is known as a model class. So 4 to 5 is a model class and this frequency is called F1. This maximum frequency which is known as F1, and the previous frequency preceding class preceding frequency which is known as F0, and succeeding frequency the next frequency which is 60. So which is known as a F2. So F1 is 80, F0 is 70 and F2 is 60, and model class is 4 to 5. So L is a lower class limit of the model class and model class is 4 to 5. So value of L is 4. L is equal to 4. H is a class interval of the model class. So the class interval is 2. Class interval is 1. 4 to 5. Interval is 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 1. So value of H is equal to 1. Then F1. F1 is the frequency of the model class. So frequency of model class is 80. Next F2. F2 is a frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So F2 is a frequency next of F1 which is 60, and F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 is a succeeding, and F2 is frequency of the class succeeding of the model class, and F0 is a frequency of the class preceding the model class. So value of F1 is 80, F2 is 60 and F0 is 70. Then value of L is equal to 4 and H is equal to 1. Then formula to find mode. So mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Then we put all the value in this formula. So L is equal to 4. 4 plus F1 is 80. 80 F0 is 70. 80 minus 70 2 F1. 2 into F1. F1 is 80. 2 into 80 minus F0 is 70 minus F2 is 60 into H. H is 1. 4 plus 80 minus 70 is 10 and 2 into 80 is 160. Minus 70 minus 60 is minus 130 into 1 is 1 into 1 is this value. There is no changes when we multiply by 1. So 4 plus 10 by 160 minus 130 means 30 is 30. So 10 by 30. 4 plus 10 by 30. So 4 plus 10 by 30. 10 by 30 is 0.333. So 4 plus 0.333 which is equal to 4.333. So mode is 4.33. Question number 2. Electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. This is the table. The use of electricity in unit is given and number of families are given. If unit is between 0 to 20, number of families is 13. Unit is 20 to 40, number of families are 50. 40 to 60, 70, 60 to 80, 100, and 80 to 100, 80 and 100 to 120 is 70. So this is the table and the information is given in this table. We have to find the mode. So solution is here we draw two column. One column, first column for class with use of electricity and second column for the frequency. So first column in which frequency use of electricity is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120. Then frequency 13, 50, 70, 100, 80 and 70. So first by observing we find the maximum frequency. So maximum frequency is 100 which is denoted by F1. So value of F1 is 100 and model class is 60 to 80. Model class is 60 to 80 and value of F1 is 70 and value of F2 is 80. Value of L. Value of L is this 60. So L is equal to 60 and H is equal to 80 to 60 is 20. So value of L is equal to 60. H is equal to 20. F0 is 70. F1 is 100 and F2 is 80. So all value which is given model class is 80 to 60 to 80. So L is equal to 60. H is equal to 20. F1 is 100, F2 is 80 and F0 is 70. Mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Then we put all the value. So L is equal to 60 plus F1. F1 is 100. 100 minus F0. F0 70. 2F. 2 into 100 minus F0 70 minus 80 into 20. 60 plus 100 minus 70 by 2 into 100 minus 70 minus 80 into 20. Then 60 plus 100 minus 70, 30. And 2 into 100, 200 minus 70 minus 80. 70 minus 80 is 150 minus 150. So into 20. So 60 plus 30 by 200 minus 150 into 20. 200 minus 150 is 50. So 60 plus 30 by 50 into 20. Next, 30 into 20 is 600 and 600 by 50 is 12. So 60 plus 12, 60 plus 12 is 70. So mode is 72 unit. Question number 3. Group frequency distribution of supply of milk to hotels and the number of hotels is given in the following table. Find the mode of the supply of milk. So this is the table. Milk is given in the liter 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11 and 11 to 13. And number of hotels are given 7, 5, 15, 20, 35 and 18. And we have to find the mode. So solution is here we draw two columns. First for class milk in liter and frequency. So first 1 to 3 frequency is 7, 3 to 5, 5, 5 to 7, 15, 7 to 9, 20, 9 to 11, 35 and 11 to 13, 18. So here by observing we find maximum frequency. So from this the maximum frequency is 35. So value of Pf1 is 35. Then we find model class. So 35 is in the class of 9 to 11. So model class is 9 to 11. So value of PL is 9 and value of PH is 11 minus 9 is. So value of PL 9 and H is 2. Then value of PF1 is 35. Value of PF0 is 20. 20 is a preceding class and succeeding class is F2. So value of F2 is 18. So all values given. Model class is 9 to 11. F1 is 35, F2 18, F0 20, L is equal to 4 and H is equal to 2. Formula to find mode. Mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Value of L is equal to 9. 9 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is 35, F0 is 20. 35 minus 20, 2F1. 2F1 is 2 into 35 minus F0, 20 minus F2, 18 into H. H is so 9 plus 35 minus 20 divided by 2 into 35 minus 20 minus 18 into then 9 plus 35 minus 20. 35 minus 20 is 15. 2 into 35 is 70 minus 20 minus 18. Minus 20 minus 18 is minus 38 into 2. So 9 plus 15 divided by 70 minus 38 into then 9 plus 15. 15 into 2 is 30 and 70 minus 38 is 32. So 9 plus 30 by 32. So 9 plus 30 by 32 is 0.9375. So 9 plus 0.9375 which is equal to 9.9375. So mode is 9.9375 liter which is approx 9.94 liter. Question number 4. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of ages of the patient. So this is the table which is given, and age in a years which is given, and number of families are given. So less than 5. Number of families are 18. 5 to 9, 32. 10 to 12, 50. 15 to 19, 35. 20 to 24, 20. 25 to 29 is 20. So this is the table, and all the information is given in this table, and we have to find the mode. So solution is here. In table we draw 3 columns. Why? Because first class, which is for age in years, in which all the values which are not in a continuous, less than 5, then 5 to 9, then 10 to 14, then 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 15 to 29. So here 5 to 9, then 10 to 15. So between 9 to 10, uh, no, there is a no any value. So here we add one column which is continuous class. So here the last value is 5, and in here first value is 5. So sorry, here see here 9 and 10. So here last value is 9, and here first value is 10. So the difference between 10 and 9 is 1. So here 1 by 2 is 0.5. So here we add 0.5 in previous class, and next class we subtract 0.5. Okay, so here we add continuous class, and we write the range 0.5 to 4.5. Here we subtract 0.5 from this 5, and here next is here 5. Here we subtract 0.5. So 5 minus 0.5 is 4.5. So 4.5 to 9.5. Here we subtract 0.5, and here we add 0.5. So range of the class is 4.5 to 9.5. Here we subtract 0.5. So class start from 9.5, and here we add 0.5. So 14.5. Here we subtract 0.5. So value is 14.5, and here we add 0.5. 0.5. So 19.5. So range is 14.5 to 19.5. Here we subtract 0.5, so 19.5. Here we add 0.5, so 24.5, and here 24.5 to 29.5. So these classes are in a continuous order. Okay. 0.5 to 4.5, 4.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 14.5, 14.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 24.5, and 24.5 to 29.5. Then we write frequency 38, 32, 50, 36, 24, and 20. Okay. Then by observing we find the maximum frequency, which is 50. 50 is a maximum frequency. So this 50 is in the class 9.5 to 14.5. That's why the model class is 9.5 to 14.5. So the value of PL is 9.5, and value of pH is H is the difference between these two, which is equal to 5. And value of F1 is 50. So value of F0 is 32 and value of F2 is 36. So here all the values are F1 50, F2 38, F0 32, L is equal to 9.5 and H is equal to 5. The formula to find mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So value of L is 9.5 and F1 minus F0. F1 is 50 and F0 is 32. 50 minus 32. 2 into F1. F1 is 50. 2 into 50 minus F0 is 32 minus F2 36 into 5. Then 9 plus 5 plus 50 minus 32. 50 minus 32 is 18 and 2 into 50 100 minus 32 minus 36 minus 32 minus 36 is minus 68 into 5. 9.5 plus 18 by 100 minus 68 into 5. Next 9.5 plus 18 by 100 minus 68. So 100 minus 68 is 32. Okay, into 5. So 18 by 32 into 5. 18 into 5 is 90. 90 by 30. So 90 by 32. 90 by 32 is 2.8125. 9.5 plus 2.8125, which is equal to 12.3125. 12.3125 years. Mode is 12.3125 years.